this is Mrs. Dean, and I am here today to talk to you about how to get our brains ready for online learning. I have some tips, some tricks, and some ideas that I want to share with you. First, let's remember that we are all in this together, and we are all here to support each other through this time. If you need anything at any time, please reach out to your building administrator, your classroom teacher, or any other support staff like myself. We are all here to help. It's important that we think about how we can set up our workspace to maximize our learning. The night before school, sit down with your caregiver and pick out your clothes for the next day. This will help you to wake up, get dressed, and be ready to learn. Let's also think about how we can make our work area distraction-free. If you have a television near you, let's make sure that that's turned off. If you have an iPad or a phone or other technology, let's make sure that your caregiver has that for the day. It's also important that we stay hydrated, we have some fruit, and other snacks that you may enjoy. For those of us that enjoy fidget tools and find them relaxing and calming and centering, it's great to have a few of these at your desk. Ones that you can easily play with quietly, but ones that will not become toys. It's also very important to think about how we can move our bodies throughout the day. Think about things that you can do in your workspace when your body starts to feel tired from sitting. You could try jumping jacks, push-ups, star jumps, standing up and reaching for the sky and then touching your toes, or even laying flat on your back and just sitting and breathing quietly for 1 minute. Another helpful idea is to schedule some time outside. It's very important during this time that we get sunshine and fresh air. Maybe during your lunch you go for a family walk. I hope that these tips, tricks, and ideas are helpful to you and your family. I look forward to seeing all of you through Zoom and in person soon. Take care.